poppin' peeps? Welcome back to the channel, Motorsportja. Hey! Yeah man, so on today's vlog, I'm actually heading to... Oh no, I'm actually going to Montego Bay. Yeah man, I'm going to Montego Bay to get some contents. Yeah man. Hope the people them like and share and subscribe to the content, you know. Yeah man, you don't know, I can't stop saying that, you know. Like, share and subscribe.
Alright, you see the 2ZZ lashes until they repent.
Alright peeps, so I'm now in Montego Bay, so check in on the little vlog, isn't it? Motorsportja. Hey. Yep peeps, this is where the badness gone. Oh, I got me general. That one there, one. Don't know, I have to check in on the garage, you know.
Yeah, man, welcome. Nose Garage.
I said Nose Garage?
Yeah, Montego Bay, St. James.
Alright, big up myself. So, you don't know where they have to check out the bad machine.
Yeah.
So you can just introduce yourself to the fans, them, you know, your name and so forth. Type of car you drive and thing.
Alwayne Keise. From Keise Wrecking. We have a 92 Toyota Starlet, 2ZZ engine. Currently, or presently, I'm the fastest 2ZZ time in Jamaica, which we are working on it. Presently, we're working on it to lower the time.
Yeah.
To lower that level 7. So,
Yeah.
just stay tuned, you know. Yeah,
Alright, so you're 2ZZ. I notice it's different. It's not nitrous because most of the 2ZZ in Jamaica is running nitrous. You go a different route. You decided to go turbocharged, and why?
you know, the bright idea came from Nose, because in this garage we tend to be radical, meaning we do the things where everybody are just like everybody around on the K24 and everybody are the 2ZZ, them are the nitrous 2ZZ.
Yeah.
So we say, hey, man, I'll do something different.
Yeah.
And just show the motor enthusiasts you know, the different applications and what you can do towards making your project great.
Okay.
And
so
a budget as well, because yeah. So far we haven't had any great challenges. We haven't broken anything. Well, we haven't the engine solid. We haven't broken anything. We haven't pulled anything. We haven't mostly though. Only thing we crack on it at the oil filter when I take it off. Yeah, but engine has been steady thus far.
And you like the feeling that you get from the boost,
well,
the
yes,
turbocharge.
Yeah, the turbocharge. To be honest, the car is very responsive, very responsive, and I'm yet to feel the max power of this car.
Right.
If you watch back some of the videos, you realize when I go through the line, the car is nowhere near the limiter. So we have a lot more in store.
Yeah. That's true. So you took the route of going turbo. You ever drove a nitrous 2ZZ, like, to compare the difference in feeling with the turbo and the nitrous?
I haven't driven the nitrous 2ZZ, but to be honest, I'll confess, I'm an original Honda man.
Yeah.
Nose convert me. Nobody could tell me nothing about
so you were originally a Honda guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But before the pandemic, I used to have a nitrous B18 EG. A purple one. Used to go drag rivals
Yeah.
in Westmoreland. The best time with that was a 13.8 was my best time with it.
Yeah. 13.8.
13.8 with a stock engine, never pull, just motor, never pull engine.
Yeah.
Just buy it from Superior, put it in a car.
And nitrous it.
Nitrous it.
Okay. So you have had feeling of nitrous.
Of nitrous, which is something I don't really like.
Why not? Why not?
Nitrous is not reliable. It's not consistent. That's what I don't like with it. Understand?
You have to be continue filling the bottle. That you mean?
Well, not only continue filling the bottle, but sometimes if you have the right temperature, if you're not monitoring properly, you know, get the max potential out of it in a pull. For example, you go do 3 pull, you do 2 pull them over and over. You'll be inconsistent.
Yeah. I understand. So, what you did to your 2ZZ?
What I did to it?
Yeah.
Right.
You know, you don't have to tell me all the little secret, but you know, pistons, rods, any little specs or mods that you have done to it.
Alright. I'm going to be as straight and frank as possible. The power, the last time we dyno the car made 448 horsepower, wheel horsepower, and 370 torque nose, and 370 torque. The engine is a stock 2ZZ with a little bit of nose. everything, the car engine is OEM.
Yeah.
OEM means that stock everything. But
So you have, well, not stock pistons, yeah, you have low compression pistons.
listen to me, I say, when you listen to me, I say,
Yeah.
clearly more on the motorsports world, listen to me, I hear me, I say.
Yeah.
Because we're not going to do like some people, and I tell some boy, I rise when I flow.
Right.
The motor is a stock 2ZZ.
So you're saying, hold on, let me get it clearly. You're saying the motor is a stock 2ZZ, stock piston, stock connecting rods, everything in the engine is stock. That's what you're saying.
Mr. Mechanic, come here, nose.
Alright, so this is a mechanic.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Big up mechanic.
nose.
Big up, man.
Tell him some more about the engine.
Alright. The only thing we pull on the engine are the valve cover and the crankcase. Just to check the lift wall. Check the lift ball.
So again, hold on, let me ask again. How much pound of boost you running on that car?
Currently about 1920.
1920 and the stock 2ZZ. How about this the 2ZZ no bad?
You know, we don't reach the limit yet either. Still not reach the limit yet. We're far from the limit.
Okay, so you are the mastermind behind this 2ZZ swapping this Starlet here.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, that's cool. So introduce yourself first now. If
Well-
fans they know you.
Everybody should have known nose. Red Starlet 1NZ. Yeah. Just look out for that one day, they come to.
So you're a Red Starlet. What type of engine are running in your Starlet?
1NZ.
1NZ.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Stock bore, stock crank, rats. So a little cheap. $150 piston.
Come on, man. You serious?
Yeah. And
What's the best time you get with that car?
level 7.
Level 7.
Yeah. I may have gearbox issues and the tire blowout mid-track.
Whoa, your tire blew up mid-track?
Yeah.
Wow. So you had some gearbox issues and you still run a level 7.
Yeah.
How much pound of boost you running?
That was basically 24 power.
24 pound of boost.
Yeah, at that.
But your engine is stock or your engine is a built engine?
No, as me say, it's a little budget build.
Budget built?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Probably the dearest thing in it that I set a cam.
I said that cam.
And then still small.
Alright, cool. So alright, Mr. Alwayne, with your car now, what about the ECU? What type of ECU running?
Or running a...
'Cause most of the gentlemen in Jamaica running a ZZ, they will go for the mega squirt.
Well, initially, because when that car, it had a 4E in it before putting the 2ZZ. Initially, it had a mega squirt, but based on nose guidance, he said the fuel tech can manipulate the 2ZZ way better.
Yeah.
In a sense, with the lift and all that, yeah. Yeah, it has better control of the VZ. Yeah.
And I think the fuel tech is a newer system.
Yeah, it's a newer system. But a lot of persons afraid of it because a lot of tuners they're afraid of it as well.
Oh,
it takes some time to research and get to understand it. So it's true, they not take the time out to understand it and send to say publish. But thus far, the computer is doing what it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Because I'm not having traction problem. I'm not having traction is because you just said there someone called me asking if the car is 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yes, how they see it leave the line.
Right.
Which no. Another thing, you know, the last time when we were at Vernon,
Yeah.
when I ran the 12-1, we came back in. I was explaining to Nose how the car was responding when I was going up to the finishing line. Because we realized that the car just pick up just pick up a speed go through the line. And I said, Nose no the car feel different. So Nose alright, I'm gonna do a data log on it. And Nose do the data log and we check.
Yeah.
We realized that the car spike go 48 PSI.
48 PSI?
48 PSI.
And a boom?
And no boom, you know, smoke, you know, mist, you know, cut no valve, you know, bend no valve, no at all.
And the stock 2ZZ.
And the stock 2Z, stock piston, stock rod, stock pin,
Whoa.
stock ring, everything.
You wanna hear that, peeps?
So, because as a result, what happened that caused the spike is the wastegate diaphragm, it burst. So it caused it to boost spike.
Alright, so I don't know of any other turbo 2ZZ in the island. Are you the first person to turbo or 2ZZ?
I'm not. No.
Oh,
I'm not the
okay.
first person to turbo it, but yeah, from back in the days because Nose had explained that to me that some person who tried it before.
Yeah, but you're the most reputable one so far.
Yeah, thus far.
Yeah.
And we have more to come. We're going to show the world and show Jamaica what the 2ZZ is capable of. Reliable.
Yeah.
Because the only thing I do when I'm going to the meet where the engine is concerned is change my oil. Change every meet. I change my spark plug and my oil for every meet.
What's the best time I get with the 2ZZ?
The best time is 11.4.
Alright, so tell us about your journey and achieving that level 4.
Well, the journey has been steady so far because everything that we do, myself and Nose, we talk about it before and we do our research and do the necessary application. We just run go because we can purchase it when we purchase it and throw it in anything. So the journey has been steady and progressing each time that we go because the first outing with the car run 12.7 at King of Shores, and the first meet that it went to in Vernon Field run 12.1, so you can see
The difference.
And the last Drag West, I went to run 11.4.
Oh, okay, cool. So Alwayne, who is a tuner?
Tuner now. Why? How much work I can manage Nose? Nose is a tuner. Nose is a tuner. He's a mechanic.
Yeah.
I'm the gearbox. I'm the
Welding.
I'm the welding. I'm wire the car. I'm wiring the fuel tech.
Yeah.
What else I do Nose? Everything. And I'm driving car. I'm driving record sometimes when I got a race.
So they say Nose does the tuning, the welding, the wiring. Wow. And him put in the engine everything.
I put in the engine with the help of Kirby.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Kirby, big up yourself.
All them, bro.
Alright, my boss.
Yeah, Motorsportja.
That is it.
Yeah, man, I like to crew this.
Yeah, so this is the team.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Nose.
Yeah, man.
So you're the tuner.
Yeah.
You're the mastermind behind the Z.
Yeah.
Yo, you have a fast Z on the island, you know?
Yeah, man.
So listen, I can call you the Z boss for now.
It gonna get faster.
You gonna get faster.
Yeah. Anybody that come after, I catch up there for the play.
Yeah, peeps, so
So this is the platform.
So this is the platform.
This is it. Must be wondering why we have this tie up and disconnect this. Nothing is wrong with the engine again. The engine is perfect. But we had to take out the gearbox.
Oh, you had to remove the gearbox?
Yeah, we had to remove the gearbox because we realized the clutch was slipping. When I ran the 11.4, the clutch was
so
slipping.
this is the clutch?
And this is the clutch. That's the good side.
So this clutch ran the level 7?
Yeah, we ran the 11.4.
Oh, the level 4?
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, that's nose for the level 7?
Yeah, nose for the level 7.
Oh, and you're for the level 4.
Level 4.
So this clutch ran that level 4?
Level 4.
Oh,
So,
peeps, take a look at it again. So that means, say, your car have the potential to go
to go where?
in the 10-second class.
Okay. You said it, you know. I don't mean it, so it's good when there's somebody is observe.
No, man, because if you run a level 4 with this clutch,
yeah,
come on.
We know two.
Yeah. I know the fans maybe saying the same thing, you know.
Well, it's good that you're observing and you can make that assessment.
Right. So,
but that's the aim though. That's the aim to go as low as possible in the 10 with the stock motor.
Alright, so anything else you wanna tell us or inform us about your build?
The build is basically a budget build, you know, because we just ensure that what the car requires to go fast, we ensure that we do it right.
Yeah.
And just get it right. From turbo to the management, because turbo and management can make a real big difference.
Yeah.
As it relates to the performance of the vehicle.
Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna say I have this is a weight.
Boy, that knows the fabrication.
Yeah.
Knows the fabrication, but you see that?
Yeah.
I want to do for you a little mechanic work. I say, no, you know, some more on fabrication. I say, yo, I never will yet.
Yeah.
So that is really me.
Yeah, so you add some weight to the front part of the car.
100 pounds.
Yeah, what about suspension you're running though?
Nothing fancy, you know.
Yeah.
Only we upgrade the axle.
Oh.
Have some custom axle. It is done by those custom axle. So that's it.
Oh.
Okay, you know, Starlet have a reputation with braking axle. So, nose again, nose.
Oh, and you don't know what type of axle is that?
Custom.
It's a custom.
Measured. Machine. Nose.
So nose is the monster mind behind this.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can see nose logo on it. Built by Nose. So that is IG name, right?
Yeah, nose 4x4.
Yeah man, you can check out Nose IG page if you want to get a 2ZZ swap, turbocharged into any car of your choice. Alright, so Alwayne, I see you have the Keise wrecking.
Yes, because I have a wrecking and haulage business.
Yeah man, so tell us about Keise wrecking.
Well, it's a wrecking company based in Montego Bay, owned by me.
Yeah.
You know, we're all over in the motorsport because, as you see, I have team tags. Nicholas Barnes, I'm Nicholas Barnes, personal work car service provider.
Yeah.
So, most reliable, one of the most affordable wrecking service island.
Yeah, man, I have a big up a wrecking company, you know.
Yes, man. And also, I'm big up Renegade, Sarah Presley. Big up.
Man.
And 777. 777, big up yourself as well. You know, always there when you need you.
Yeah.
And you know, when we ran the 11.4, that's the run with the GTR.
Yeah.
We were having some issues with the launch. So when I left the line with zero boost. And that's build up a boost launch coming. So just imagine
if everything did right from start.
From start.
Tens.
The best is yet to come.
Alright, so before we go, you big up 777 Team Taz, Nose. Anybody else want to big up out there?
Just want to the whole motorsports fraternity. Just to big up everybody, all racers, Because we know we're going to prepare these cars, take a lot of time and energy. And a lot of capital. So that's why I'm big up everybody to keep the sport alive.
Alright.
And also the promoters.
Yeah, man, cool. So any encouragement or any advice to the younger set of racers who is watching and would I like to build a car and any little word of encouragement to them?
Yes, if it is something that you love, first thing you have to understand. Motorsport is not a hype thing. It's not a proving thing. When you have love for the sport, it makes it flow better, and also you can build a nice network because it take a team to really put a car together.
Yeah.
You just go see the driver on the day, I do his thing, but motorsports takes a team.
Right.
So you just have to take your time, throwing your basket more higher than where you can reach it, and don't just run go bypass because you say alright. Because you say this good for this and this good for that.
Right.
Yeah, everything have their limitations, and also in long and short of things to the youngsters, you just have to just be patient, take your time, research some more, take criticism, understand, and go around people who have knowledge and willing to share knowledge with you, and then know you make your assessment and see which direction you want to go, and put your car together.
Alright, Alwayne, don't know, it was a rainy day. As you can see, peeps, car window wet up. So I don't know, big up yourself again.
Motorsportja, respect again because you find us.
Yeah.
You call and say, guess what? Want to see you have a word with you.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know how to get it built out there because enough people don't see a turbo 2ZZ out there, so I don't know. We have to share the knowledge and share what is out there,
And the best is yet to come.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Can go lower the time.
When the car is up and ready, we must get a pull in that machine.
Yeah, man, most definitely, man. We just have to do some little things in the gearbox and change two things.
Yeah.
Because you know we're going for the 10th.
Alright, my boss. Now see I heard, man. Big up again, cool?
Bless up Motorsport. Bless up.
Alright, so Nose, tell us about your build right here.
One NZ, turbo, as you know, everything done by me, just the same. From fabrication, wiring, tuning, everything.
This is an intake, right?
Also built by me.
This intake is built by you.
Yes, and first ever trying to weld with a TIG welder.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just decided to go waste it on something where I can look on in
Yeah.
the future and say yes, this is my first ever weld.
Right.
So I decided to make a manifold.
But it look good. Yeah, it look pretty good. So what about the exhaust?
Same, built by me, just the same.
Built by you. Everything is by you. Somebody ever asked you what about this again because it's built by Nose.
Yes.
Yeah. The peeps, take a look on the exhaust manifold. Wow, this is a very small engine with so much potential. And you know, these 1NZ have a lot of aftermarket parts
Yes, man.
out there.
Yes, all it.
Yeah, man. Wow, me love the strut brace you have here.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Built by Nose.
Yes.
Yeah, peeps.
That door can sell him, you know.
This
Well,
is
you can
Nose
cut out,
built.
you know. No, sir.
How much power you make with this build?
Well, the last horsepower, last dyno session, I think about 520.
Okay, so you made 520 horsepower.
Yeah.
You think it have more in it?
Yeah, man. The only restriction to it right now are the turbo. The turbo might look big, but still not flow as how it should.
Yeah.
So I type for a modern turbo, you know. But we are running with this turbo for this meet.
Alright, so you will be at Vernon Field this meet.
Yes. See box me and fit up, you know.
Okay, so this is the gearbox.
Yeah. So these are the original box. Toyota box. As you know, me did have in a
Motorsport, I'm telling you what I go on. You go fornicate, you go put in K box tonight.
Yeah.
So you can't really feel like good, but when you reach up top, you run out of bread. Yeah.
Let's say sugar run out.
K is the way, you know.
Yeah.
But a back way.
Well,
Don't do that.
can't do that.
K good thing, no. I mean, I mean, one K kiss, nobody disrespect K.
K is the way, but the wrong
Nobody
way.
K, man. K good, man. K good. You can't do K, so man. Don't do it, man.
no man, simple we just show them say every man I run down Honda.
Yeah, everything can
And
do.
because the aftermarket support for Honda is so wide, so everybody they fly go a Honda, but
Yeah.
they know say the Toyota them they are same way. Yeah man.
Alright, so what about future plans for your car?
My car,
Yeah.
well, you know, I start out with that bill here, to make a 1,000 horsepower engine. Still en route to that
So you're aiming for 1,000 horsepower with this NZ right here.
with the NZ.
Oh. Alright, so
We're not that too far still.
you're not too far. You're actually midway, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're actually midway. So what about you, Alwayne? Any future plans for your Turbo 2ZZ?
Well, my aim is to put it to the limit where it's reliable. Because everybody afraid for it. To boost it. Everybody has say, boy, boost it, boy, compression too high, boy, this and boy, that. Then I help pump not good. Stock I pump it on mine.
A stock oil pump in your ZZ?
We don't pull the engine. We don't pull the
Engine
engine.
no pull.
No, you know, someone will put in oil pump and say, you know, that's not
It's the
really
one.
pulling the engine.
Stock I'll pump tonight.
As we say, we not touch nothing
We
but
don't
the
touch
crankcase.
nothing but the crankcase.
Just the crankcase.
Yeah. Me hear Bossy D saying want to go me hear Bossy D saying want to go turbocharged, you know, so.
Man, we welcome him, you know. And we willing to help him out as much as possible. when
Yeah,
when
share
he's
some of the
ready.
knowledge.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you see the 2ZZ lashes until they repent. Lashes until they confess. Say 2ZZ, but
Alright, peeps, so there you have it. I don't know, I hear from Alwayne, I hear from Nose. 2ZZ can take your boost. See me? So, like, share, and subscribe, man. Motorsportja. Big up my fans, them. I don't know, and I always stay loyal. Peace and love. Cool? Out.